So that's it. I'm sick, tired, and today we must get to the bottom of this. I mean, isn't everybody tired of trying to have a simple conversation without running into this never ending conflict between Big Ben and Uncle Sam about who uses the correct form of English? I mean, first of all, aluminium, aluminium, tomato, tomato, and now even math or maths. Which one is the correct abbreviation for mathematics? Let's look at this, break this down, and see which is correct. Now, the debate as to whether to use math or maths as the correct abbreviation for mathematics has become quite fierce of recent, with some even proposing to use maths with an apostrophe to break the deadlock. But since this is a never-ending debate and a source of confusion between users of British English and American English, we need to talk about it and try to come to a compromise. So which is correct? Which came first? And why the confusion? Now, the whole brouhaha over whether math or maths is the correct abbreviation for mathematics actually comes from the trailing S on the name mathematics, and as English speakers who naturally form plurals by adding S on our words, it's but normal for us to consider mathematics to seem plural. But is mathematics a singular or plural noun? On the one hand, mathematics can be defined as the abstract science that deals with numbers, quantities, and space. Or we could see mathematics as a bunch of different disciplines like algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and so on. But does that make mathematics plural? Well, no. I mean, you don't say I can solve 2 mathematics or I understand many mathematics. Generally, we say math is fun. Or if you like it, maths is fun. Not maths are fun or mathematics are fun. Nope. As for which of the abbreviated forms first became used before the other, well, math without an S first appeared in 1847, while math with an S appeared in 1911. But take note, because people wrote the abbreviation like this didn't mean they pronounced it same. I mean, some people say prof, or some people write prof as an abbreviation for professor, but you hardly see someone address his professor as prof. Well, it does so turn out there is a deeper source of confusion as to which is correct, and this actually comes from the Latin origin of our name mathematics, which is mathematica. And if you ever tried learning French, Italian, or any other language descendant from Latin, you would have observed the classifying nouns as either male, female, or neutral. Well, mathematica in Latin is actually neutral plural. And although Latin has been one of the most influential languages on science, Latin itself also inherited the concept and the idea of mathematics from the Greeks. And if you ever heard of Aristotle and his smart buddies, then you know they took mathematics seriously. In fact, mathematics for them was a way of life. In fact, the Greek adjective mathematikos actually meant to be studious, to study too much. So going by this, maybe we can say Aristotle was a mathematikos person, but I don't speak Greek. But mathematikos later evolved into the adjective mathematica, which is quite similar to our English counterpart mathematical. So in that light, someone can say something is a mathematical art, something is a mathematical science, something is a mathematical technique, but using mathematical as an adjective, not a name. But since Latin inherited mathematica from Greek with the A at the end, and as English speakers who also form plurals in Latin by adding A's at the end, we decided to add an S at the end as we do with other Latin words which form plurals by adding an A at the end. And you could look at it and say it was a mistake, or you can say that's the way we've always seen it or done it, but I don't know. And also don't forget, mathematics is a field of science that encompasses disciplines like geometry, physics, astronomy, astrology, topology, and each of these fields in themselves is big subjects. So math could still be seen as plural or singular. But just like other fields like physics or humanities, which also encompasses religion, literature, art, philosophy, we could just term this as a collective noun. Now, as to where in the world you can run into each, math is commonly used in America and Canada and anywhere using American English, while maths is commonly used in the UK or anywhere using British English. But no matter where you're from or to whom you're speaking, I can guarantee or bet whoever you're talking to, if you use math or maths, will understand you. So, as the world keeps trying to find a peace agreement between these two notorious conflicting parties, you can chip in your opinions down in the comment section below. Meanwhile, keep watching our other videos, liking, subscribing, not forgetting to click on the bell icon to stay updated with every new release. And stay safe, stay blessed. Ciao.